Hello everyone, how you guys doing? Today I have a small dollar store, not Dollar Tree. It's from my local dollar store. So I don't have a whole lot of stuff. I just want you to see the deals that I got. So I got Dove, $1.29. I got some Perk Disinfecting wipes. This will be my first time trying this one. And this was only $1. And it has 35 wipes in it. So this is good for my bathroom for quick cleanups. I got some Pepsodent, and that was $1.49. I know Dollar Tree have it for less money, but this is the store I wanted to go to today. I got some candles for my wax burner. And this didn't have a price on it. She charged me $2.99, so that's not bad for this. It's a good price. And it has 50 in there. It's called Expressive Scent Tea Lights candle in there, unscented. I got a mop. I needed another mop. And this was $3.49. I was supposed to get light bulbs and I forgot that, y'all. Should have written a list. I should have wrote a list. So these are some good deals here. I'm going to show you. These socks here was 2 for $1. And they're pretty colors. I usually stick to the all black, but when I saw these, I said, 2 for $1? Goodbye. And then I got 2 more. Got that one. And I got this one. These colors. So y'all, I don't care what design. I'm getting more of these because I can, look at the colors I could wear with. I could wear it with black, gray, and blue. And same with these. So these were some wonderful deals. They used to have the all black ones. Like it was, I think it was like 2 packs for $1. Like packs of 3 in there. $1 that we used to get. But things went up a little bit more, but this was a fantastic buy. Then I needed one more curtain for my bedroom. I already have this, and I misplaced the other ones like this. So I said, let me go and get this just in case I donated it to the Salvation Army or something and didn't. I think I have an idea where it could be, but yeah, I got this, and this was $5.99. That's a good buy too. And that's the 54.84 in length. Why is it so hard to find the 90 inch? At least in my area, it's hard to find it. Guess I have to order it. So I saw more socks. So I picked these up. These are the men's socks. And there's how many pairs in here? Oh, three pairs for $2.99. Yeah. It's only 3, but they're nice socks. Nice colors and stuff. So my last items are the same thing. I picked this up for my sister. I did a review on this product and I was blown away how good it is. and I have had people ask me about it, and that's the Vim Dish Detergent. Y'all, this is 99 cents, and it's thick and rich, and it's really, really good. So I got 3 of them. And I didn't get this for me. I got it for her. I'm going to get her to pick her up some more, too. I just didn't want to have to carry so much stuff today. But yeah. If you see this bad boy in your area, make sure you pick some of this up. I'm telling you now. It's a good buy. But other than that, I'm noticing that a lot of things really went up a lot. But what I like about this store, y'all have come with me into this store for years. And they got unusual stuff, and they got some real good buys. So thank you so much for watching. Please comment, please like, please share, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Okay? I will talk to you all soon. Bye.